And good morning, afternoon, or evening, depending where you are right now in the world. Welcome back to Thumper's Lockpicking. I've got I call it a major surprise. I made this challenge lock right now. I just pinned it up after doing what I did with it, changing the pins and all that. But that's not it. And it's not my magic sword. Let's see, 2-in-1 sword. I was practicing in the garage with my dummy, sort of like a martial arts type of move. These both go into let me see if I can do this real quick on camera. It's kind of difficult. Yeah, not gonna try to do it, I guess. This goes in there. Okay, so we got these two blades that go into one, and it's actually a nice long type of stick. Anyway, I was practicing in the garage with my dummy, the dummy hang-up, and my garage door opened, and the dummy took advantage of me, and when it was swinging, it knocked me down right into my refrigerator, and it hurt my ass real well. So, dummy 1, asshole 0. I lost. Dummy kicked my ass. Can you believe that? Kicked my butt. Anyway, this is a challenge like I have. I'll do that in 1 second. This is the bidding on the key. Not very wild. I just selected a key out of all my keys I had, and that's what it's going to be. My surprise is, are you guys all ready for this? All right. Ta-da, boom. Check this out. My pick holders. My pick holders was made by Jason Elbert. He's a craftsman on 3D printing. I got all my pick holders here, my torque wrenches, my other picks. I only wish I had 2 more of these, because I got so much more picks that I'd love to display, but I can't. But Jason is a perfectionist. You know what? I mean, we had conversations, we text each other's back, we were talking about, you know, do I want purple on top, black on the bottom? Do I want Thumper on the first roll or tools on the second one? The man knows what he's talking about. The work is nothing but A+. I don't have my little round thing there trying to pull out my picks anymore. I got them right in front of me. Like I said, I got a couple dozen more that I'd love to have out, but his work is unbelievable. This has taken what you see right in front of you, probably more than 36 hours, a lot more than that. He told me it's like 3 days on trying to come up with something. He had no problem on changing something in the middle of what he was doing. You know what, guys? If you're going to use this man for anything and he wants to accept you as a client, you need to treat him with the utmost dignity. I can't tell you exactly what will go going on between me and him, but I'm telling you that I want to say what I would say, because you know what? I want this man to make money. I don't want anything for free. I have plans for him in the future, what I'm going to do. But, you know, I'm hoping you can see all this right here. All these pick holders, my name, my torque wrenches and stuff like that. My other picks over here. He didn't get anything from me. He even paid for shipping first class, and I didn't get him back anything. But that's not going to work with you guys. Okay? I'm not here trying to sell his product or anything else. But if you're interested in what you see here, please deal with this man with a great amount of attitude, or whatever you want to call it. No, great amount of money. Okay? You're going to have to determine what this is worth. He doesn't like giving biddings. He doesn't like doing this because it costs too much money in supplies or whatever. And people think it's only plastic. It's only plastic. You know? What the hell? Only plastic. No, it's not the way it is. I mean, if you can see the way this looks, it looks as beautiful as it is to know where I'm going for my next pick or tension wrench or my tweezers or whatever. Jason, you are the man. I know what you did for me. I'm not leaving it alone there. I'm really basically thinking of what I can do for you, and I am going to do it. You're not going to find too many people like this, guys, on the internet. And I don't want to hear anybody fucking taking advantage of this man. This is his work. You know, I'm not sure if it's his work, but this is his work. Okay? I mean, I couldn't ask for anything more than what he gave me. I'm in love with the guy. You know, whatever. Call me gay, stupid, or whatever. But this man made some professional tools for me. And I'm so appreciative of it. I can't even tell you. I will be getting back in touch with them. I'd really like to have at least one more of these trays. 2 more would be perfect, but I'm not pushing this. I want you guys to understand that Jason Elbert is a master craftsman in 3D printing. He'll ask you all the questions you want and get you all the answers that you need. If it's what you want, he's going to make it happen. No in between. He's very thorough about that. No in between. Alright. I really wasn't kissing butt on this at all. This band's got my greatest love for this profession. This community is so well endowed that I freak every time something like this happens. I'm lost for words on what this guy made me. What a pro this man is. Alright, so that's all my stuff in the background. That's New Thumper's tools. And thank you, Jason. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. I thank you. You're the man. Okay. Let us get to what we're going to do here. I am going to pick... I just made this challenge lock here. I have not tried it after I put all my pins and everything in it. So I basically don't know what actually to use here. It looks too thin. It is too thin. Got my other tension wrenches over there I'm not using. Okay, I'm gonna try this. I still gotta rearrange everything. I just threw everything into these holders to show you what I got here. So I'm gonna start with, I believe, 1.2 thousandths. This is a 1.0 thousandths. I know I should be using 1.2. Give me a minute, man. I'm so dumbfounded on what this man has made me that I can't even tell you. Alright, I think I'm just gonna go with this piano wire. That I don't remember who made me that, but it's like, who made me this, who made me that? But this is a homemade piano wire. It's got to be over 50 thousandths because it fits really snug in there. I'm gonna be using, of course, my chopper pick. And enough shit talking. Let me get to where I'm going here. All right. I'm sorry, guys. Stay in there. Click on 1, 2, Chris, I haven't forgot you. I'm still doing more reviews on here. In fact, I might switch my tension wrenches if this thing gives me a problem here. That was 3. I got to click out of, nothing on 4, nothing on 5. Back to beginning. Like I said, I love your tension wrenches in paracentric keyways. And this is what I meant about being thick. Thick at the top, wide at the top. I don't know what you want to call it, you know. This piano wire is pretty thick. It's just a matter of what I want is it to wedge in there so I can leave it in there and it won't fall out like that. You know, I want to be able to grind it in there for control over the core. So if you guys didn't understand what I was saying, that's what I meant. But his tension wrenches are really, really nice and paracentric keyways. Okay, back to the beginning. Go on 2, 3. I think on 4. Little click out of 5. 1, 2, 3, and on 4. I guess I overset something. I just got done making this. I just got done putting my own pins in this. I haven't fixed it before. It's straight from putting pins into it. Click out of 2. Straight from putting pins in it to being on the vise. So getting no feedback at all on anything. Okay, wait a minute. I got something on 1 here. We'll click out of 1, 2, 3. Relax my fingers. Counter rotation on 2. Okay, well, got a false set going. Not much, but it is false set going. That was 1, 2, 3. Anything on 4, 5. I haven't even named this lock yet, so anybody that wants to throw a suggestion in there, hit me up, man. I haven't put a label on this lock yet. This is 1. 2 is kind of binding. Okay, click out of 2. 3. Nothing on 4. Nothing on 5. Kind of weird. I did good somewhere. 1. Okay, small click. 2. Yeah, small click out of 2. Yeah. Anybody that wants to name my lock, please put it in the comments below. Okay, that was a click out of 4. Nothing on 5. Back to beginning. One, a small click, a little bit turn on the core. 2, 3, 4. Nice click out of it. Get a little bit turn of the core. And noise 4. 5. And I got you. I got you, baby. I got you. Yeah. Yeah, guys, give me a name for my lock here. Just got done pinning it up. It does have serrations. It does have spools. It does have all the good stuff that you would want. And I put this on the ground here. Move this over. Gosh, I'm running out of room here. Whoa. Oh, man. I spilt all my pins on the floor. Alright. I need this. Let me put this down. Again, it's that time of the afternoon where the camera is shining right in my lens so I can't see it. Let me get what I need here. Tension wrench. And, okay. Got the pin, spring. Okay, put this down here, back up here so you can see. Oh, let me see, I just need to reach to my beautiful pick holder. Oh yeah, look right there, that's where she's at. Alright. I had to do that, man. Jason Elbert, thank you so much. Okay, should I use a shim? I'm not going to use one. Okay, no gutting disasters, no problem. Make sure we're in frame. Okay. Number 1. Beautiful. I made some beautiful pins on this one, baby. Let me go through it. I already know what I made, so I'll let you guys see it. Only if you're good. And I'm going to kick that dummy's ass again. Wait till I get back out in the garage, man. I get a little bit more momentum up. He ain't got to disgrace me like that. Damn. He sucker punched me when the door opened. Alright. We're back here. I'm going to show you that every other spot is, like this one's got threads. This is blank. I got threads on this one. Okay. Nothing on the second to last one, and threads. So every other one. That's what I'm trying to say. Lame. Wow. Trying to speak. Oh, okay. And let me see. I've got to go over to my pics where I know exactly where everything is. And back down. I love it, Jason. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Number 1. I got a spool in number 1 with a copper spring. There you go. Copper spring on that one. Number 2, I made a serrated pin, which I'll show you in a second. Give me 1 minute. Copper spring. Number 3, I think it was a spool. It is a spool with another copper spring. Turn it reverse. Someone else say it besides me. What? That's right. That's what she likes. Okay. We get another spool, the copper spring. Maybe the only thing I should have done was alternate the springs, but I didn't. Last one. Copper spring. And a very nice serrated pin, as I must say myself, because I made it. I didn't do anything to the Bible, so it's on this really showing you. This is just my creation. So, anyway, let me get to this without turning it off. Don't turn it off, don't turn it off. Someone give me a name for my my lock here, and I'll be perfectly fine. I'll move this out of the way. Okay, bottom. I made a really sharp top serration into a spool. The second one is upside down. Okay, second one upside down, but made a spool and can't really pick up on the serrations on the bottom. Third one is just all serrations. I think I put 4 or 5 of them in that little pin. Very hard to do. The fourth one is like a spool, and again, you really can't see it, but I made serrations on the bottom of that pin. And the last one is a standard upside down. Sorry. Back up to the top, we got a really nice spool. I made just 3 or 4 serrations on the top of the second one. Third one's a spool. Again, I made another 3 serrations on the top of that one. And the last one is a spool. And that's what I have for you guys. Again, check out Thumper's Tools. Thumper's Tools. How awesome does that look? My favorite color is black and purple. My Harleys are black and purple. And Jason, you are the man.
That was easy.
You telling me. Simple guy, great guy. You've got to hit him up, but be expected to pay what he wants for these. I don't care if you want to call it, it's just plastic. but these are some awesome holders. I'm going to be hitting them up later in the line and see if I get at least one more. 2 more would be great. I still haven't dug out all my picks, but I am so friggin' happy that you can't imagine. Thank you again, Jason Elbert. That's all I have for you today. Please, let's not make a bad example of our sport. Don't put your picks in anyone else's locks unless you have explicit permission. And this is an awesome community. This is a awesome community. Can't tell you how much I gotta say that. I'm gone. Love you all.